Hello, this is Felix from Orlando Global again. Brief introduction. I don't just collect cars, I also collect wristwatches. One of the watches I've been wanting to find and purchase is a Seagull 1963 original. Unfortunately, if you can find one of those watches, they can be very pricey. So, and I didn't want to pay for the current modern Seagull 1963, anywhere from 150 to 300, depending on tariffs, etc. So I ordered a replica one for only $37 from eBay, including shipping, and it arrived today in an open package, as you can see, and in this cardboard box, which, if you look at it, it is, in my opinion, an exceptional watch for only $37. To the best of my ability, I think this is an exceptional replica copy. It's in, unfortunately, you probably can't see, by the way, it has a beautiful NATO strap. Trying to look at the originals and this copy, it's very good. It's the crystal, can't imagine what it's made out of, domed, clear, everything's very legible. The second hand goes all the way around. I mean, for $37, call it what you will, and it has the same markings on the back as the originals. You probably can't see it, and I'm doing a terrible job of showing it as well. Here it is. Just wanted to share that with all my automotive friends, because wristwatches and cars do go together. The mechanics of it, chrono, we all need chrono watches. Well, that's it. I hope people found this a little interesting. Again, sorry for the amateur's quality of these videos. Thank you.